We're here at gotomath.com and studying hard. We are doing, what are we doing? Whoa, there's a square there. I think we're doing 12-1. Okay, so time to write some stuff down. Let's do that. We got the integral of 17 secant squared x dx. Alright, one of those ones you're just going to have to, I hate to have to say the word, but you're going to have to remember it. How's that? Memorize it, remember it, however you want to say that. Alright, so it sets the integral of 17 secant squared x dx, and I'm doing this just to show you can pull those guys out front, those coefficients. Okay, so you'll have to memorize this one. Boy, you're not going to believe this. Anyway, so just go ahead and rewrite that coefficient, and the integral of secant squared x dx is, that's right, tan x. That's it. And then don't forget your c right here. Now, because this one was so short, we're going to go ahead and take the derivative of this thing. So 17 tan x plus c. So we know if we take the derivative, right, we're going to get back the integrand here. Okay. So do we remember what the derivative of tan x is? Does anybody remember? Well, guess what? The derivative is secant squared x. I mean, it's just that simple. So let's say you forgot the derivative of tan x, but you remembered the derivative of sine and cosine, right? Well, you could always do this. Might as well mention it. So we know that tan, you know that tan is equal to sine over cosine, right? Okay, we still got the plus c over here. Well, if you know the derivative of sine x and you know the derivative of cosine x, then you just use the quotient rule to find the derivative. Right? You'd use the quotient rule, and I'm going to write quotient rule here. Well, probably not the whole thing. I'll write QR for quotient rule. Okay, so that's your exercise, even though that's not what we're doing. F prime of x would be equal to 17 secant squared x. So remember to use the quotient rule to find the derivative. That's going to be your exercise to get to here, right? Since, anyway, it helps memorize all this stuff when you do that. Alright, let's move over. Let's hit answer. I'd like to be like, oh god, if that was something else. Anyway, 17 tan x plus c. Alright. Okay, so come on by gotomath.com. Make sure you practice that stuff.